Don't skip this. This 1955 Mercedes 300 SL was left here for decades, covered in dust, forgotten by time. A true legend, slowly fading away. But some stories deserve a second chance. So we brought it back, step by step. Every bolt removed, every layer of damage erased. Years of rust, disappearing piece by piece. Carefully rebuilding what time had taken away. Precision, patience, and pure craftsmanship. And then, the moment everything changes. A fresh surface, a new identity. Watching this transformation happen is something else. Piece by piece, it all comes back together. Stronger, cleaner, better than ever. And finally, back to life. Like it never left the road. A timeless machine. Reborn. Because legends never die.